the relentless flow of life. The heights that staggered the mind have been brought far, far below in the relentless flow of life unto the ocean of the self. The sun and moon that shone so bright now glimmer with gentle light during the soul's ascending flight to the glorious summit of enlightenment. The hard rocks have been pulverized, the dark clouds have been dispersed. Space that expands so fast and time that knows no past, both have vanished with the blast of divine grace in the glorious state of enlightenment. SOHAM-ASMI, I am that I am. I am the Absolute Self.